Hello there. It's me, the Wasi Forex, and I'm here to teach you in this video lesson of how to trade stocks. Now, I think in my previous lesson I talked about buying CVX, and as you can see, it gapped up. Now, we call this a rise in three methods. So we're using the 4-hour chart, but you can see on the daily that it broke out. So I'm going to remove it. Now we're going to redo the whole process again and see if we can find something different. So I am going to focus not on technical analysis. All right. See if we'll put this. Rating. Okay, so we'll say strong buy. All right. So remember, we're focused mainly on the moving average ratings. All right. So I'm just going to choose the ones that I'm interested in. So I'm just choosing the ones I feel I'm interested in. Because I don't want to overload my trading system. So I'm just choosing based off what I believe is on my broker's watch list. So this is what I believe is on my broker's watch list. Okay, we can remove that one. So it's a very simple process. We're going to start with Berkshire way. Now, oh my god. Okay, all right. So just on the onset, it is not a strong buy signal. Let me see what we have. All right, this is not cool. All right, this is not cool. All right, that's better. That's better. So let's see. So I have a piece of paper and I'm writing down kind of like the ratios. All right, so I've written down strong buy, and then I have buy. So on strong buy we have the day, 4 hours. We have 4 hours, 2 hours. Oh no, we do not have 2 hours here. Put 2 hours under buy. One hour under buy. $30 minutes under buy. Okay, 15 minutes. Okay, so this one is definitely not in a trend. So let's start with Netflix. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, Netflix is not trend. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one is not in a trend. Okay, we have nothing here. If you watch my previous video, you understand that it has to be strong on the day, no exceptions. It has to be strong on the day, no exceptions. Right, so as you can see, there is no buy in opportunity today, but basically it's supposed to be have a strong buy signals. So it's more like a buy ratio. All right. So what's supposed to happen is there's supposed to be like 5 strong buys in 5 time frames, with only 3 buy signals in 3 time frames, right? So we're supposed to have like a strong buy signal, but we're supposed to have, let's say, ideally 5 time frames, while in the buy signal maybe an average of 3 time frames. So basically there's supposed to be more stronger time frames in the buy signal. So that's the strategy, right? We're focused basically on the moving averages, of course, but ideally we want to focus on the technical rating, right? Which is very, very important as well. So I want to focus on that as well. So I think we have like 28 here. I don't know, we can still check the other stocks just for learning purposes, to see if we can find a buy a stock to buy, just for learning purposes. We can still check it out. Alright, so we check this one out. Let's check this one out here. Okay, so there are how many time frames? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 8 time frames. So this one is a good buy because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 8 time frames that are giving you a buy signal, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 8 time frames. Okay, out of 8 time frames. So this one is definitely a good buy signal. Okay, so we're going to keep that one here. So this one is a good buy signal. Let's check the following one. 3, 4. No, it's falling short. 4, 5. So basically 5 out of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. 1, 2, 3. Let's go back again. 1, 1, 2, 3. It is. Okay, so we only had 2 strong buy signals out of 8. So we won't check that one out. One, we have 2, we have 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this one, yes. This one is a good one. One, 2, 3. Not strong enough. We already checked this one out. We don't need that one. We already checked that one out. Okay, let's start with that one. 1, 2, right. But ideally, if you can find even just one good one, it's good enough. 1, 2, 3. Looking for a 4. Okay. If you can find just one good one, I think you're good to go. 1, 2. We're going to check this one out. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Either 5. We have 4 on this one. We don't have a 5. 1, 2. So basically just doing this for learning purposes, right? So I'm gonna move a little bit faster now, but we're basically doing it for learning purposes, right? Because I want to show you how to find it, right? Like how to really find these stocks. So these are all the Dow Jones stocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, perfect. perfect. Okay. And that reminds me, I think I saw a sell signal here. Did I see a sell signal? My God in heaven, I hope I did not see a sell signal. I better not have seen a sell signal. Okay. There's 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, another one. Another one. Oh my God, this one is perfect. 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 Oh my God. It is a five star stock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. One more. Too bad. So we have the top 4 stocks that I would buy now. Again, remember this is all for learning purposes. But I don't know if you could trade these on your brokers. Now, if you take a closer look, this looks like a morning star to me. I don't know what this one is. It could be a bullish harami. This also looks like another morning star to me. And then this looks like a bullish engulfing, but then it's rising into a final top, which is the 3 soldiers. After the 3 soldiers, there should be a consolidation. So let's study the whole thing. So remember, we have 1 here, strong summary. We have 2. Remember, they have to be 5. So we have 1, 2. We have a pullback here, I think. Oh no, that's 3. So 1, 2, 3. That's 4. And then that's 5. Then we have, oh my God, that's 6. Then we have some minor pullback somewhere here. But we have 6. We have 1 neutral. Now, this neutral is kind of what's drawing me out, right? Like, I don't like this neutral, right? Even though it's like it's fluctuating, right? So because of that neutral, I'm going to remove it, right? Because I don't want nothing neutral, right? I want a perfect buy signals, right? From A to Z. Like, I do not want any neutral. There should be no neutral sign here. Absolutely no neutral sign, right? It should be buy signals from A to Z. So remember, we're starting with 1. Skip the 1, the 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 4, that's 5 there, and so we have 5 time frames. So this one is better, and this is called the morning star. Okay, this looks like a bullish harami to me. So looks like a bullish harami to me, but we call this the morning star pattern, right? This looks like a bullish harami to me. Wow, look at this. This is in a 4-hour chart pattern. This is crazy. So we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have small pullbacks here. So you can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, I don't know what chat button this is, but it's perfect. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 10 out of 10 chat button. This is a perfect morning star. Looks like a bullish army to me. I cannot recognize the chart on the day, you know. I would call it maybe a Morobozu, you know. Some of them look like Morobozos to me, but on the 4-hour chart, you can see it's definitely a morning star. It's the most perfect out of all of them. I think this is also another morning star, so it's interesting to see the chat button, but I can see they're kind of similar in nature, but it's obvious, it's very obvious that like this is the chat button. It's very obvious. So I think the last thing that I'll look at in the video is let's see if we can scan for any forex pairs using the same trading system. Let's see. Okay, so let's see if we can find similar similar pattern. Okay, we just remove that there. So remember, we're looking for a strong buy signal on the day. Anything outside that, just remove that. We will not consider it strong buy or strong sell. Excuse me. So we're looking for a strong buy or strong sell. My goodness. Just have to use Turkey. Okay. Forex is pretty difficult to trade, I won't lie. Unless I personally believe with Forex, there are specific Forex patterns. I still love scanning for Forex pairs because they're so rare to find. It's insane. But the fact that Forex trading is so hard, it's one of the reasons why I love it. You know, I love challenging myself. That's why I love like challenging myself. So remember, it's the same ratio. We're looking for a same ratio. Alright, so we're looking for a similar ratio, right? That's 2, 3, 4. So we have a 4 ratio. So maybe this one, right? It's a 4 out of 4, right? It's not perfect, right? It's a 4 out of 4 ratio. Right? It's not perfect, but I think it's good enough. 1, 2. Oh no. Oh no. All right. Let's see what we got here. 1. Okay. We don't have any here, guys. 1. Okay. As you can see, there's nothing here. So the one that wins is this one, right? My God, it went up by 3%. Oh my God, this is crazy. Like I have never seen anything like this. But this is the best one to buy right now. I don't know if we can try it out because it's a 4 out of 4. But I would assume let's just exit all the forex trades. Just exit them. Right, so these are some of the trades that I tried in the past. Some of them are profitable, some of them are not. Now, I'll assume, like, especially with this forex pair, it's probably strong on the week too, right? And on the month, right? So it does kind of win on these fronts, but it's like 1, 2, 3. I think we have a 4 somewhere. Should be a 4 somewhere. 4. Yeah, like 1 here, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. Right, that's 6. So this one is a perfect trade. Okay, let's look at the entry. Entry is insane. That's a crazy entry. That's a crazy entry. Look at the difference. Look at the spread. Oh my God. The spread is crazy. Yo, that spread is crazy. Like you can't even buy at the market price. The spread is crazy, yo. Let me see what you got. Like, look at the market price. That spread is crazy. Look at the ask. That spread is crazy. Look at how much the market is asking for. That spread is crazy. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, that spread is crazy, man. But I guess there's that 1%. That spread is crazy. Yo, that's a crazy spread. It's like you're already in on a -1. percent, right? Yo, it's crazy. It's crazy spread, man. It's crazy. Look at that. And it hit new highs. Look at that. This was crazy. Let's see if we can have some other turkey pairs. Maybe we can check them out, because what I'm suspecting is it's probably, like, turkey's probably the best forex pair in the game right now. Check that out. And you see, that's the problem with forex, right? It's like there is no diversification in forex. Like, once you find one good pair, then you know, you just like plant it all over, right? It's crazy. So let's check it out. It's 1, 2. I'm looking for a 3. Okay. Three. One. That's a 2. That's a 3. Looking for a 4 and a 5. That's a 4. One more. One more. 5. Boom. So we can go through it again. That's a 1. That's a 2. That's a 3. We're looking for 2 more. 4. And it's fluctuating. Yeah, this is another one. This is another one. Let's see what we have here. See if we can. This one is a little bit less risky, right? Hong Kong compared to the dollar, right? I think this one's a little bit cheaper. Kind of like risking less. Crazy. 1, 2, 3. Looking for 2 more. 4. 1 more. Come on. If it's neutral in the 1 minute, just forget it. We're not looking for 1 minute neutrals. Alright? It has to be buy all round. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We only have 3 on this one. It's 1, 2, 3. Alright. Sorry. The numbers to me are important. Look at the spread. Spread is insane. One, two, three. Yeah, I think it's kind of dicey. It is kind of dicey. Unless this one you're actually sure. Mm, we have three. And we have only three. It is kind of shifting. Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy. It is shifting though. It has like a three there. It's too shifty. Probably close it. It is kind of shifty though, but we were close. We were close. We were close. But yeah, I think we found the stocks. Like, this strategy here. One, two, three, four, five, right, six. I think it's easier because this is a perfect example, and I think it's easier because the market is closed, right? So you can kind of see the 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 time frame, right? Because the market is closed, so you can kind of like see the time frame. Unlike forex, it was fluctuating because it did appear, then it just dropped from for no reason, right? So I think in this case, probably the best time to scan for forex would be over the weekend when the market has closed. But for now, we have a strategy for trading stocks, and we checked for forex. There was absolutely nothing there. Though it looked like Turkey had something going on, you know. No, Turkey had something going on. I think it's still the best, you know. It's just a pity that it's fluctuating, you know. One, two, three. I think it's still like fluctuating, you know. So it may not be a good day trade, but you know, I could see why someone would buy it, even though the spreads are insane. Uh, the spreads are really really insane. This is crazy, and it happened yesterday. This is crazy. This is crazy. What the hell? I don't even know what happened here. Turkish Central Bank sells record amount of FX after lira plunges. Bankers say crackdown slams brakes on Turkish recovery. Turkey political drama force central bank to hike rates again. So whatever this is, whatever happened in Turkey, yo, this is crazy. This is crazy. Maybe if I was to remove that and just focus on actual currency pair, maybe on the ice, maybe it could give us a different reading. Let me try. Because sometimes it does depend on the brokers. Three, and still the same. Alright, so we have a strong reading here. One, two, three, four. Yeah. So we kind of have a 50-50 reading on the ice. So it's kind of 50-50 though. You know. But whatever it is, so Turkey is in for it. Yeah, I think something is going on here, and definitely something that needs to be watched out for. So it is what it is. You know. So anyway, I'm trying to. I think I'll just watch it, right, and wait for an entry. You know. But the perfect one is definitely this one. And we can look at it from the moving averages standpoint. Okay. Alright, the moving average has not been completed here, but it probably will be completed maybe on the 2-hour scale, right? This is crazy to me. It's not above the moving average. I think that's what might even just discount it. You know what I mean? This is crazy to me. See what you got. Yo, this is crazy. I may just have to remove this one. So I think we just have these two. These two are the best. Because you know, at the end of the day, it's all about a trading system. And if you believe in a certain trading system, then it has to be a consistent trading system. So it has to be above the moving average on all time frames. On all time frames, there is no excuse. Okay, there is absolutely no excuse. It has to be above the moving average on at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 time frames. Alright. Excuse me. Let me remove these. Alright, 1, 2, like 5. Is that the 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2. So at least on all 5 time frames, right? It has to be above. Like that's the system, okay? That's the system. Right? It has to be above the moving average on all 5 time frames. Right? That's the system. You know, all these time frames that you're seeing here. 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Like all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like all of them, it has to be above the moving averages on all these time frames. Right? On all of them. Right? Like if it misses even one time frame, then we will not trade it. So it's a very tight system. So what a powerful video lesson. I hope you learned so much from it. I would love to thank you so much for watching. Trade safe out there. Trading is risky. Also, I'd love to thank my mentors, Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Tim Sykes, who wrote the foreword to the book The Penny Stock Course, and then finally Matthew Creator, who wrote the book Rocket Stocks, and you can find all their books on Amazon Kindle. I'd love to thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, bye bye, and